One of our client named Clinical Guruji came to us with a unique problem. If a student opts for a course from Clinical Guruji, then the opted course are shown in the related module of that particular student, as you can see from this student. This particular student has opted for this course. Similarly, all the students who purchase course from the Clinical Guruji will be shown in the related module of that particular student. The problem is that the opted courses are not shown in the list view of the student module, due to which we are unable to figure out which student have opted for course and which student have not opted for any course yet. And due to this, Clinical Guruji is unable to set up any marketing campaign for those students who have not opted for any course yet. And they are losing a huge business due to this. To solve this problem, what we can do is we can add tags with the course name and display the tags in the list view. You can see this particular student have opted for X-ray chest course. So now we can copy the course name and add it to the tags of this student. Doing this, we will be able to segregate all those students who have not opted for any course yet. And we can set up a marketing campaign especially for those students who have not opted for any course yet. But there are a total of more than 55,000 records in the student module, and adding tags to each student record one by one manually is a hectic job. And to solve this, we have added a new temporary field to the student module and named it as the action field. We will delete this temporary field when tags will be added to all the student records. Once the field will be added, then we will create a workflow for the student module which will be triggered when action field in the student module will be updated to any value. So whenever action field will be updated, then this workflow will be triggered with a deluge script which will perform the following action. It will fetch the student ID from the updated record, then it will search for all the course that student has opted. If there will be no course opted by a particular student, then it will do nothing. Else, if there will be opted course in the module, then it will make a list of all the courses and then add it as text of that particular student. Once we done creating the workflow with deluge script in it, then we will test it by editing a single record and then we will test it by doing mass update. So we have already created the workflow with the functionality we discussed earlier. Now let's try to add tag to a single record by just updating the action field. Let's open this record. You can see that this particular student have opted for 20 drugs for GP course. Now we will update the action field to add the tag to this student with the course name. As we have updated the action field, now let's refresh this page to see if tags has been added or not. So you can see that the tags have been updated. Now it's time to do mass update, and to do this, let's open the students in the list view. First of all, select all the students. Then click on the action button, then click on the mass update. Then you need to click on select a field and select the action. Enter any value to it like add tag and then click on update. It will take a few seconds and then tag will be added to all the selected student if there will be course opted. You can see that tags have been added to these students. Let's verify that if tags added is same as the course opted or not. Let's open this record. You can see that the tag have been added, and if you go to the course, you can see that the course is same as the added tag. Now you can also see that on some students tag has not been added, which means that this student have not opted for any course yet. Let's verify this. Let's open this student and now go to the course. You can see that this student has not opted for any course yet. So this is a great way to find out which students have opted for a course and who have not opted for a course yet. Then you can easily set up a marketing campaign especially for those students and grow your business. That's it for this video. If you need any help regarding ZOHO CRM or WhatsApp automation, then feel free to contact on the number displayed on the screen, or you can also email us. Thank you for watching this video.